Hi there, I am Dr. Jurgo Roberts and I'll be answering the question: are you worried about long-term side effects of COVID-19 vaccine? Today, I'm gonna give you my informed thoughts about the COVID-19 vaccines that is saving the world from suffocating to death due to the novel coronavirus, aka COVID-19. First of all, the chances of developing long-term complications from vaccines are extremely unlikely because of how they work. Most of their job is done in the first few days and then the vaccine is gone from your body. So what's left is the immune response caused by the vaccine. Two, now for the case of COVID-19 vaccines, messenger RNA vaccines have the potential to be even safer. Most vaccines use inactivated or dead form of the virus, but this new method avoids that entirely and instead uses messenger RNA. So since the COVID-19 vaccine does not use a dead or weakened form of the virus, it is entirely safe for everyone. 3. Long-term complications are really rare, happening 1 in several million. You have a higher chance of being struck by lightning, which happens to be 1 in almost 1 million people. 4. Generally, most side effects show up within 2 months of immunization or after a person is immunized, meaning anything severe will have likely shown up in the trials on COVID vaccine participants. No debilitating side effect has been reported during all the phases of the trial. 5. Think about the risks of no vaccine at all. For example, getting the disease or the infection. If you get COVID-19 today, the risk of long-term chronic complications like heart or lung problems and etc. are far greater than the minor side effects you may experience after taking the COVID-19 vaccine. So stay educated, be wise, vaccines save lives. Subscribe and share with your friends and let them get informed as well. Thank you. Bye.